Michael Nugent, the Pasadena, Texas shooting dentist. Here we have a little video about the direct impingement system. The bullet goes bang, the gas goes down the barrel, up the gas tube, pushes the bolt back, and that's just your standard direct impingement system. And with the piston system, same thing, the gas explodes down the barrel, but then the gas gets trapped in a chamber that drives a piston and rod back to the bolt and makes the gun cycle. So none of the gases get back in the bolt area, so no carbon fouling, no heat transfer back there.